Welcome to Lorain. Let me tell you a little bit about the premier downtown wedding venue, Ariel Broadway Hotel. This 55-room boutique hotel is located where the Black River meets Lake Erie. It's in the heart of the Lorain Entertainment and Historic District on Broadway Avenue. It is 100% woman-owned and minority-operated. Ariel Broadway Hotel has an outdoor rooftop that provides stunning views and memorable backdrops of Lake Erie, the Black River, and the Lorain Lighthouse. It's an ideal location to have your wedding ceremony, followed by cocktail hour. Oh, and I can't forget the sunset photos. There's a spacious ballroom that will accommodate all of your guests for your special days. But the amenities don't stop there. Located on the ground floor is GameOn Lorain, a sports bar and restaurant with games, pool tables, air hockey, and over 30 TVs. On the first floor next to the lobby is Dodie's Dockside, an Italian seafood restaurant and bar. If you love to shop or need a last-minute gift, there are also gift shops such as Broadway Botique and Lollipops. Oh, and I can't forget cakes on the lake. So delicious. Having your wedding or special event here has so many great photo opportunities, such as the Lorain script sign, the Broadway banner, and the Palace Theater. The staff here at Ariel Broadway Hotel is absolutely amazing. They're always so accommodating and ready to help you out. If you're thinking about having your next big event, Ariel Broadway Hotel is where you want to have it at. Reach out to my friends Lori or Sheila and they'll help you plan your big event. Hope to see you soon.